who seem to possess more qualifications.
Asante sana, we can take our seats. Those of us present our token of appreciation to the speaker.
The PSC Migration has communicated that they'll be doing registration of students for national identity cards from the month of July, and therefore requesting the principals and the schools to be very keen and collaborate during that registration period. All the other issues that you have mentioned in relation to the management of exams, my cabinet secretary in a short while will be able to communicate one or two things in relation to that.
As a government, we are keen on finding a long-term solution to the challenges of unrest that we face. We want to ensure that our schools are safe spaces for learners and that public property is not destroyed and life is not lost. We are constituting a multi-stakeholder task team to undertake a comprehensive review of the challenges of unrest and to make recommendations for institutionalizing effective dialogue and peaceful coexistence in schools. This task team will have a broad mandate of evaluating the challenges of unrest and the causative factors. The task team will include all stakeholders in the education ecosystem and will have extensive terms of reference to address this problem comprehensively.